Guys, look at what I found. I found a cable-driven throttle body that came off of the mod motor we pulled out of the first Mustang video series we did, and I'm gonna turn it into an exhaust cutout for the Narx cart. So I'm gonna get to work on it, and we're gonna make loud noises. All right, so what we'll do is we'll build a plate that will fit on the back here out of just sheet metal, and then that way I can bolt it on and off in case something happens in the future. But you can see, guys, I forgot to turn the camera on while we were cutting this piece out with our little Eastwood Versa cut down here. It's such a great tool. But basically we're going to use this as our backing plate. So I cut it, I used the gasket material here, cut it. Now I'm going to mark the holes and then cut this center out. So we're going to use the plasma cutter again. I drilled a little hole here so I can use it as a pilot hole to come around that. Hey guys, just a quick reminder, we are giving this car away when the channel hits 1 million views. All the rules and everything are down below, so make sure you read them, ask any questions. Thanks a bunch. Here we go. Did you see that? Freehand, a circle. I mean, mostly a circle. Look at that, so nice. Okay guys, the exhaust on the car is 2 inches, so we're going to use that one. We're going to adapt it to 2.5, and then we're going to go from 2.5 to 3, and it'll sit like that, and I'll get it all welded in. All right, we've got our Eastwood MiG 175 that we've used for a ton of our shop stuff. I'm going to set it to D and 4, and we're going to weld this baby in. Well, it's not very pretty, but it's there. All right, guys, right there is the location we're gonna get. So I'm gonna start shaping this pipe here so it'll fit, and then we'll drill a big ass hole in that and weld it up. It's gonna be awesome. Sure. Dude. All right, so we're gonna let Steven do the drilling because I'm still kind of a pussy and a little scared of the drill and drill bit with a 1 3/4 or whatever. Yeah, it's only hurt for 4 weeks. Yeah. All right, rules of the game. Gotta toss this onto that from there.
Whoa, that close. So close. You will leave like this or cut like this? Yeah, it don't matter.
Hey, you looped it on the
On the trim packet. Where the fuck I was going with that one? Alright, one more round. And then one more time.
Oh, damn! We're gonna have to slow-mo that son of a bitch.
I was close. Oh, that's close.
Man, my distance was right on that one. The one thing I was thinking of, I still have the camera set up from mountain stuff. Oh well. You need this light moved anywhere else?
Nah, you good.
Perfect, guys, here we go. So I took and have this piece of scrap rod here, drilled a hole in the so the factory throttle cable came into here and wrapped that way, right? So I'm going to I drilled a hole in there that's the size of this rod, clean this part out here a little bit, and we'll take and put the rod straight up like this in the car, and I'll pull it. Burp. So, and then we'll position it to where it's closed, open. The problem is the rod's too long, so it's getting all warped up. So I'm gonna, so it'll be obviously stuck like that. Open. Come on. Well, I'm gonna do some bending on it. All right, guys, the exhaust cutout is done, and we are fixing to test the decibel difference between it being closed and being open. So here we go. So I wanted something that can open and close it. So we got a little rod here, got a little spot to hold it in. Okay. See, I made one mistake there, but let's get it started. Now let's open it. Okay. This is gonna be so awesome. All right, guys, let's get you some drive-by sounds real quick and see if you can tell the difference in the open and it being closed. Hey guys, thanks for watching. I just want to say we are giving this car away. It is free to enter. Just subscribe to the channel and follow us on Instagram. You have to follow us on Instagram so I can get your handle, so I can put you in the drawing. Anyways, thanks for watching. Keep up with everything that's coming. I mean, we post almost every day on Instagram and Facebook, and a lot of times videos on TikTok. Thanks a bunch, guys. See you soon. If you want to see more narxcart stuff, follow us on Instagram. We are giving this car away when the YouTube channel hits 1 million views. So follow us on Instagram. Definitely follow us here. Subscribe to the channel. I mean, hell, I don't know. What else we got coming? Let's show them the Blazer.
Yeah.
Woo! All right, full video on a $100 paint job coming on it too. All right, thanks a bunch.
Thanks, guys.